Alright guys, we are in the 2021 Toyota Corolla SE trim. We're going to be doing a little POV drive. This car is a little bit newer than what I'm used to. I'm used to driving old classic cars, 2005, 2004, 2000, whatever. But this is, pretty new. It's a new car. It's way more easier to drive. I'm gonna be taking us to the bank. All right, let's get to it. One great thing about this car is how it drives. Because it's the Sport Edition trim, the suspension is very, very stiff. As you see this, how it's very, very stiff. It reacts extremely fast, which is, the whole purpose of the Sport Edition. The Sport Edition also has some extra vents on the front and the back of the car. It also has a dual tip exhaust. So all in all, it's a great car, great economy car. It gets good gas mileage and is not too expensive when filling up your tank. The car drives very smoothly. It red lines at about 7,000 RPM if you wish to drive in manual mode. The manual mode in this car, it works, it's good. I believe this car is a 8-speed automatic, so a lot of gears, a lot of play. It comes with about, I believe, a 6-7 inch infotainment screen, in which you can use Apple CarPlay. It cannot be used wirelessly. You have to use the lightning connecting cable, but it's all right, not a problem. As you can see, the visibility in the car is absolutely amazing. You can get a full view around the car. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, we are ready to move. Let's get it. The cornering in this car is absolutely amazing. Because of that stiff suspension, you can go into corners at about 50 to 60 miles an hour. It's just absolutely ridiculous. The car is also very small. It's not very small, but it's pretty small and compact, which means it's very light. So cornering is extremely easy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little ride around, show you the nice features of the car while driving. This car does have a sports mode, which I'm going to put it in right now. It's right there, sport. Now it is in sport mode. which the exhaust becomes a little bit more open, the valves open up, and it just becomes and feels like a completely different car when you're driving. The revs are way more aggressive. As you can see, and the cornering, it becomes absolutely beautiful in this car. As I will show you right here, cornering will become beautiful in this car. Beautiful. Look at this crisp. I'm driving with one hand, bear in mind, and it's just amazing driving this car. I'm gonna take it off sport mode, back in eco. And as you can see, I'm putting my foot down just like I was before, and it's nowhere near as loud or aggressive. I don't know if you guys could tell, it also has the eco and the sport mode is gone. I'm putting my foot down just as much, and it does not sound any bit the same. So I give Toyota props for this amazing machine that they have made. It drives smooth, and it can be a fun sports car when you want it to. If you want to just lay back and relax in eco, you can do that. Bear in mind, I have the heat in full blast, and this car is so smooth. The steering wheel, very smooth. Although when you want to turn with one hand, it does not stick very well. That's the only complaint I have really with this car. Other than that, this car is beautiful. The seats, very comfortable, very, very comfortable seats. They feel good. Honestly, there's no complaints for this car. Only thing is maybe if you wanted a sunroof, which it does not come with, but that's not really a deal breaker for me. Trunk space is good. The engine base, not compact. It's very easy to get around. Other than that, just an amazing car that I believe if you are in the market for a nice economy car, go ahead and go for a Corolla, man. They're very nice cars. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the parking in this car as well. That is the Lexus that I drive around in the POV videos. And let's go ahead and park this vehicle. Beautiful parking, perfect. All right, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this POV video of the 2021 Corolla. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around and show you how it looks. So as you can see right here, these are the vents that are included with the SE edition with the dual tip exhaust. The vents also are on the front of the car, which gives it that aggressive look. The wheels are also alloy wheels, which look very nice. And all in all, the car is very nice. It comes with a nice factory tint and a two-tone color on the top. Anyways, guys, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Have a nice one.